everyone, today I want to show you guys a makeup tutorial inspired by Twice NAYEON's look in their newest music video Feel Special. So now let's get started. I'm going to start by applying the foundation all over my face and covering any blemishes. And this glow powder will give the skin a natural glow. And as always, I'm gonna contour my face and my nose to make it look slimmer, especially with this kind of hairstyle which makes my face look bigger. Now, I'm gonna do my eyebrow, and for this look, I'm gonna make the inner part thick and the other part of the eyebrows thinner like this. Now, let's start the eye makeup. The eye makeup for this look is really natural and simple. And for the eyeliner, line the eyes with slim pen liner to create a thin line and keep the tail short. Now I'm gonna apply a coral blusher onto the apple of my cheeks. NAYEON had a glowy look in the video, so I'm gonna apply some highlighter onto the second features on my face. You can't really see it in the video, but NAYEON had some glitters on her cheeks. So now, let's add some glitters on top of it. For the lips, I'm gonna mix two colors to create a coral pink color. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Bye!